Hey Karson.
Hi.
Hey Mommy.
Hi.
Hey Daddy. We're at the Globetrotterkin and we're at the Da埔滘Nature Reserve.
And with the red trail.
How's it going so far?
Good.
Yeah? Did you see any animals?
Ooh, I saw a salamander, no birds though, and I also saw a butterfly. Da埔滘Nature Reserve once lost all its trees. After 1946, the site was protected and reforested. It has now become one of the most mature forests in Hong Kong. My dad brought us here for a forest adventure to spot as many animals as we could. I found salamanders in the mountain stream, monkeys in the trees, and I also made friends with a beautiful butterfly. I also saw sweet gum trees which had red leaves, a rare sight in Hong Kong. I'm told that there are many other species of animals, birds and insects here, like deers, leopard cats, porcupines, owls, and even fireflies. There are 4 color-coded walks. We took the shorter red walks this time. Perhaps you can find even more animals if you take the longer walks next time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up and follow us on Instagram at Globetrotterkin.